Hi guys, today we talk about Xiaomi 14 Pro. It's launched on November 2023. The dimensions of Xiaomi 14 Pro: height 6.35 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 8.5 mm. The weight is 223 grams. The Xiaomi 14 Pro build front and back glass and titanium frame or aluminium frame. The display of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 16:8 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.73 inches with 89.6% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the refresh rate is 120Hz. The screen brightness is 3000 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it comes with Xiaomi Longjing glass. It has Xiaomi's oven protection glass. The platform of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU and the GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom. And it's record 8K 24fps video. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it's record 4K 60fps video. The battery backup of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it's come with 4880 mAh battery. The charging is 120 watt fast and it supports 50 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 dust and water resistant. The price of Xiaomi 14 Pro is $1099.